Hi, I'm Rosie Davenport. I'm here today with EasyCater to talk about sales and marketing insights. I encourage our RCMs to use the CRM as effectively as possible to schedule follow-up. So, if I know I'm going after a new client and they're not interested in me at first, try again. Will follow up with them again in a month or two. If I have a client who's tried us once, obviously as a good salesperson, I want them to go and follow up and make sure everything went perfectly. Sometimes we have orders that come in and they're generated through another platform entirely, and we still want to make sure that person is happy and keep them happy ordering in whatever way is easiest for them. So something we do, I think it's really important for the regional catering managers to schedule ahead of time what their follow-ups need to be. Do I need to send this person a menu? Did they mention to me their son's birthday party in a couple months? What about a holiday party? Have they booked that yet? Those are the things that we have to always be thinking of. And I think it's our job as sales leaders to provide that coaching, not sit on our laurels, and make sure that we're ahead of the game in terms of coaching the team how to pull the reporting that they need. So, hopefully you have a CRM or an Excel spreadsheet or something that you're using to track when and where you're reaching potential new clients, and then going back in every 3 months and making sure that's up to date and making sure that you have the most accurate information for that client. So if we realize that we're losing a client, I think obviously the first step is to understand why. Is their company closing? Are they moving? Is it us? If it's us, there's always something we can do. We can always attempt to repair a relationship. It can happen. If we screw up one delivery or we show up 10 minutes late to one order, that can be the difference in keeping or retaining your client or not. So it's up to us to understand who has the best relationship and what is important to that client. I've had to go out and offer gift cards to retain somebody or a % off their next order. We will do what it takes to retain the guest, but understanding what the original issue is, I think, is the most important matter.